So now we're changing the brake pads on our rear wheels on our Sprinter van. We have another video with the front wheels, the front axle, where we do the brake pads and the rotors. On the rear axle we do only the brake pads, and yeah, let me show you how we do that. So I already checked up the car. So to speed the process up a little bit, so first of all we remove our wheel and using our little pneumatic wrench, getting bolts out. And the wheel is off. So now, first of all, we remove the little caps here, one on the top, one on the bottom. Well, I guess we lost the one on the bottom already. Good to find out. Then we use a 6mm Allen key, and so these are usually very tight. I use a little hammer to loosen them. Be very careful with this. Number one, and then number two is here on the bottom. Same thing. Loosen. Take our 6mm Allen wrench. Get these out. This is out. And now I should be able to remove the caliper. Here we go. Caliper's off. And now we get out our brake pads. Number one and number two. Remove the springs. Always replace the springs when you change your brake pads. So, got everything off. And we prepare the caliper. Careful with the second bolt. We need to press in the piston here. So that goes very hard, so I use this tool here. Set it in here. So this presses the piston in, as you can see. Make sure it's all the way in, like this. And now it's time to install our new brake pads. And as we're doing on the front already, we have the Bosch Quiet Cast. Hope they're better and make less noise than the original Mercedes we had. So, put in the new springs. One. Two. 3. The last one is on. Once we have these on, we put our brake component lubricant on. All right, on all 4 points. Then get our new brake pads. Just put them back in here. Goes pretty easy. So our new brake pads are installed. Now we just put the caliper back on. Just put it in place. Get the bolt in. Just start with one bolt and make sure it's a little bit in so it can't fall anymore. And then you can install the second one. Make sure they're nice and tight. just secure them. All right, and then we put the cap back on. Yeah, the second one we lost, so I need to get a replacement. And it's already time to put our wheel back on. So I put them on by hand a little bit. And once they're on, I use my pneumatic wrench. And I can put the van back down. Then you secure them, your wheel bolts. Don't over tighten them. And after 50 miles, you retighten them and then you're good to go. That's it. Brake pads are exchanged and van is ready to go.